No pay. Months after some teachers moved to a new school, they are still not paid. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, family and friends of Chucky Brown react with shock and disbelief following yesterday's guilty verdict.
Flow suspends court action after reaching an agreement with government agencies during a meeting with the Prime Minister.
A push for driving education in high schools.
And in the financial week, approved. NCB gets the green light in Guardian Holdings takeover settlement.
There's also sports, post commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Education Ministry's plans to introduce driving education in the high school system?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.